Good morning, chemistry students. With great excitement that I let you know that double displacement reaction week continues into today, Thursday, April 23rd. We're going to finish off double displacement or net ionic exchange week in the only way that you really can finish it off, and that is with a 2-day lab. We begin a 2-day lab on double displacement reactions, specifically precipitation reactions today. If you remember, double displacement reactions have one of three things that must happen. One of them would be the production of a gas as a product. The second one would be a formation of water, and that one occurs specifically when the double displacement reaction involves an acid-base neutralization reaction. And the third, the formation of a precipitate. Today, that's the ones that we're going to take a look at in the lab. Today in tomorrow's lab, we'll be looking at formations of insoluble solids that precipitate from solution. If we're looking on our advanced planner, we'll see Thursday the 23rd, Friday the 24th, a 2-day lab. I want to remind you that over the weekend, this weekend, we have a fun opportunity for bonus, that being a chance to balance some interesting reactions. They're rated 1 through 5 in terms of difficulty. 1 through 3, with 1 being easy, 2 being reasonably doable, and 3 being a little more challenging. You've got 5 reactions to take a look at and balance for bonus. For everyone that you're able to balance, you'll get bonus points. But that's over the weekend. Let's get back to the lab Thursday and Friday. If you look on Google Classroom, you'll see some general information before you start the lab. You'll see that there's 2 days to complete this lab. There are video instructions that you can watch, video number 62, which gives you a little bit more specifics than we're going to give right now. As always, I encourage you to wear safety goggles. We're not using burners, so you will not need to tie your hair back. And as always, wash your hands excessively, thoroughly. After you do that, we will be handling chemicals in this lab. In this lab, you'll be observing precipitation reactions. And you'll be writing and balancing reactions that you see happen, double displacement reactions. The big thing here is to remind you, please do not rush through any of this stuff that we're doing on e-learning. Read your directions carefully. Take your time so that you understand. Ultimately, we're trying to learn from this experience. Just rushing through it and getting it completed is not the goal. To learn as you go, that is the absolute goal. So take your time. Be sure to take a look at the answer key to compare what you've done to what the proper answer should be, and that in itself is a learning experience. So be sure to check the answer key, and as always, email any questions that you might have. We can set up meets if you need some help. We can create additional videos, or we can email back and forth. Whatever it takes, whatever you're most comfortable with. Enjoy the lab, be safe, and have a great 2 days.